Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. I'm Rocio and this is Reese's Rizzos, and in today's video I have another review for you all. I'm coming at y'all with third day hair, and I'm very proud of myself because I think my curls are holding up pretty nicely, and that's all because I've been using something that's going to help you prolong your hairstyle without having to wash it or refresh it with any water. Okay, a waterless cleansing foam by Batiste. Now this video is sponsored by Batiste, but just like any of my other reviews, the opinions are all mine, so I just wanted to put that out there really quick. Before we get started though, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't subscribed already. All you have to do is click on that big bright red subscribe button, and then after clicking on the subscribe button, click on the bell, because the bell is what's going to turn on your notifications, and that way you'll never miss another one of my videos. Let's go ahead and get started. Now before I get into the product itself, I wanted to talk to y'all really quick about how I normally refresh my curls and how I can get to day 2, day 3, day 4, sometimes day 5, depending on what I'm styling my hair with. If you've been following me for a while, then you know that water is usually my best friend when it comes to refreshing my curls. It's very, very important for me to sleep with my hair in a pineapple, up in a very high and loose ponytail on a satin pillowcase, and to me that's one of the best ways to preserve your curls. But as far as styling or refreshing in the morning what I do is I'll take my curls down from the pineapple, and typically I'll add water first, because that's generally what's going to reactivate the product. And then after adding a bit of water, if I feel like there are some curls that need some definition, then I'll add a little bit more product. Now there's nothing necessarily wrong with that method, but for me, I've noticed that at that point I have to wait for my hair to dry again. It all depends on how much water I've used, how much product I use, but typically I have to wait for my hair to dry. Now Batiste actually reached out to me several months ago to see if I wanted to try out their new waterless cleansing foam, and I was like, a waterless cleansing foam? Is that like dry shampoo? Sure, I'll try it. But what makes it stand out from the rest? And from the moment that I started to test it out and really just kind of understand what it's meant to do for my hair, that's when I started to fall in love with it. And I find myself using it more often because I don't want to have to refresh my curls every single morning using more styling product, using more water. It's just something that I can really quickly just spray in my hand, massage onto my scalp, kind of sweep it along the rest of my hair, and I'm good to go. For the most part, I can wear my hair down completely. I get more volume throughout the day. In other situations, I'll put my hair up. This is kind of like my new favorite semi hairstyle, just like a really easy side sweep. And the great thing about it is that it keeps my scalp and my hair clean until the next time that I decide to wash my hair completely. Now you're probably wondering, Rocio, what are the products that you're even talking about? Let me show you. It's the new Batiste waterless cleansing foam, and it comes in 4 different unique scents, and it's made for people that have normal to dry or curly hair that are looking to refresh their hair on non-wash days, but have found that dry shampoos just leave their hair too dry. The lightweight foam formula leaves your hair looking, feeling, and smelling fresh and clean, and there's no need for rinsing or brushing your hair, or in my case, drying your hair. So let me go over the 4 different scents. They have Cleanse and Hydrate with Cactus Water. They also have Cleanse and Smooth with Hibiscus Root. There's also Cleanse and Shine with Coconut Milk. And then the one that I have been using the most is the Cleanse and Strengthen with Almond Oil. I seem to have lost the cap of this one after the 4th time that I use this, but you don't need the cap to use the product, okay? So just stay with me. I think what I mentioned so far that I love the most about the Batiste waterless cleansing foam is the fact that it's fast drying. It's a fast absorbing formula that will dry in 60 seconds. That takes like no time at all, you guys, none. And not only that, but it doesn't leave any kind of like sticky residue or even a powdery residue like a lot of dry shampoos do. Now I do want to point out, because I feel like I've said the word dry shampoo several times in this video, this is not a dry shampoo. It's far different than a regular dry shampoo. Like I mentioned earlier, the Batiste waterless cleansing foam is made for people that have normal to dry and or curly hair that are looking to refresh their curls. So if you do have hair that's more on the oilier side, then I would recommend using the Batiste dry shampoo. Batiste is known for having the #1 dry shampoo in the world, you guys. So again, if you have oily hair, then I would recommend going in that direction. If you typically use dry shampoo because you have oily hair, then I wouldn't recommend recommend using the Batiste Waterless Cleansing Foam because, like I said, it's meant to refresh your hair if you have normal to dry and or curly hair. Now, I mentioned already in the beginning of this video about how I normally refresh my curls in the morning, but let me show you how I do it now using the Waterless Cleansing Foams.
All right, y'all, so first thing is to take the curls down from the pineapple and give it a few shakes to see where the problem areas are, which for me are usually around my face, a little frizzy or not as curly. So I'm gonna take the Batiste Waterless Cleansing Foam, cleanse and strengthen with almond oil, get a good bit of that into the palms of my hand and just work that into my hair. I'm focusing on the roots first. I'm just massaging that in. And then I flip my hair here or there to see if there are any areas that could use a bit more work and just add more foam to those sections, smoothing it down my hair. The great thing about this waterless cleansing foam is that it's not heavy. It's really lightweight and it's fast absorbing, so I can already tell what my final look is gonna be like without having to wait forever until my hair dries again. That way I can just focus on the areas that I can see need a little more love. Now I can easily just rock this third day hair down and fluffed out, but let me show you a quick and easy hairdo that you can wear on your refresh days that'll make your style look even more fresh. Just gather a few pieces of hair from just above the ear, pulling away from the temple and pinning that in place with a few bobby pins. Not only does your hair look, feel, and smell amazing because of the waterless cleansing foam, but now you've got instantly fuller curls. For me, this is the best hair hack ever.
All right, so now another thing that I love about the Batiste Waterless Cleansing Foam is the fact that it's only $9.99, okay? Now think of that price, all right, for just one product, and then think of what you would normally be spending if you had to rewash your hair so many other times during the week, spending money on shampoo and conditioner and styler and all that stuff. No, girl. $9.99. You can find the Batiste Waterless Cleansing Foam at Ulta. I'll leave a link down for y'all in the description box below. And that's basically it, y'all. I'm not gonna lie, when I first got these products, I was a little skeptical. I was like, is this really gonna work on my hair? But it actually did, and I'm really glad that I got a chance to try it out because now it's one of the staples in my hair care routines. Huge thank you to Batiste for letting me test this product out. Let me know in a comment below if you've ever tried out any of the Batiste products, whether it be the Batiste Waterless Cleansing Foam or their #1 signature dry shampoo. Give this video a big thumbs up if you liked it, and don't forget to subscribe if you have not subscribed already. You can follow me on Instagram at Reese's Rizzos, and that's basically it. I love y'all, un besito, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.